Here at Speedify, we get a lot of very specific technical questions. Let's take a look at a question that was asked in our comments. So, I have two devices running Speedify and they are paired, but it will not let me set it to primary. How can I have it be bonding with the other networks connected? Thanks for asking. Speedify's pair and share feature allows you to wirelessly pair your phone and share its cellular connection with other devices to provide extra stability. Because we are dealing with cellular connections that are often limited in data or more expensive, we've set paired connections to secondary priority by default. This means that the connection will only be used if the primary connection becomes congested or needs a speed boost, or doesn't work at all. If you go into any other connection settings, like the Wi-Fi, you can see all the priority options. Primary is used all the time, secondary only when needed, backup is only used when all the other connections have failed, and never does not use the connection at all. Automatic is a smart mode where you let Speedify pick among these. So if you go into the paired connections settings, here's the paired connection from my cellular, you'll see that it's set to secondary, and your only other option is to use it as a backup. We added this limitation to make sure that you never run into overcharges with your provider, and you never run out of data just because you forgot you had a paired connection. But if you really want to use the paired connection all the time, you can set all of your other connections to secondary. Everything being secondary is actually the same as everything being primary. So that's a hot tip for you. Like this video so far? Subscribe to the channel for more Speedify how-tos and tech tips. In case you're new to pair and share, it's super easy. Just connect both your devices to the same Wi-Fi connection and connect to Speedify on both. Then, on the Speedify dashboard, you'll see Discovered. Click that. In the Discovered devices, you can click Tap to Pair to send an invitation. There we go. Just accept. Now when you go back to the dashboard, success! Got a new internet connection here on the Mac, which is coming from this phone. My devices are paired, and I can share my cellular connection wirelessly to add extra reliability to my online experience. That's it. I hope it helps. Now that you understand more about our pair and share feature, check out our other video about data limits, because we explain how you can ensure you never run out of data.